An e-rickshaw driver was battered to death only because he objected to two men urinating in public. First, take a look at these CCTV images. Well, the very men who attacked the rickshaw driver on Saturday evening. This CCTV footage is from a liquor shop where these men went to purchase alcohol before getting into a spat with Ravindra Kumar. Ravindra is the 32-year-old victim. He stopped the two students from urinating near the metro station. At the time, both were allegedly drunk. The two boys returning in the evening with a gang of 20 and thrashing Ravindra with brass knuckles and bricks. Still, he dies.
बाथरूम कर रहे थे, टॉयलेट कर रहे थे, तो उसको उसने टॉयलेट करने से रोक दिया। पहले से ही उन्होंने बियर वगैरह वो सब ड्रिंक वगैरह की थी, तो उनको अपना इंसल्ट लगा कि ना ओपनली हमारे को बाथरूम करने से रोक दिया। वो फिर उसको वार्निंग दे करके चले गए। शाम को वो लोग 20-25 के ग्रुप में आए, उस पर ताबड़तोड़ हमले किए पत्थरों से। पत्थरों को मफलर में बांध के और गमछों में बांध के उसको ईंटों से दो बंदों ने पीछे से पकड़ लिया और बाकी ताबड़तोड़ तरीके से उसको पत्थरों से मारा गया।
उनको उठाया, हॉस्पिटल लेने गए, हॉस्पिटल लेके गए तो उनको दिक्कत हो रही, कह रहे मैं ठीक हूँ, मेरे को घर लेके चल। हम घर लेके आए तो फिर उनकी हालत ज़्यादा ख़राब हो गई। फिर दोबारा हॉस्पिटल लेके गए, यहाँ पटेल चर्च पे उनके डेथ हो गई।
All right, I want to cut across to my colleague Ilma Hassan. Ilma, will you give us details? Have any arrests been made? Because it's rather shocking. These are students of one of the top colleges in the national capital who have beaten a man to death because he stopped them from public urination.
Well, Preeti, what we know right now is that two of these students are from a very prestigious college in North Campus, Delhi University. And imagine what drove them to do this, Preeti. After this 32-year-old e-rickshaw driver asked them not to urinate in public, they said they would come back and make sure they get revenge. They went back, got about 20 of their college mates with them and came back and beat him to death. Not just with not just with their hands, but they took bricks, wrapped them in cloth and beat them up at about 8 p.m. outside GTP Nagar police station. We've been speaking to the police and they've told us that two people so far have been detained. Two of the main accused have been detained. They haven't been arrested yet and they're still trying to find out exactly who the other mob was that was responsible for this. We're also getting a lot of comments, from top ministers. In fact, Venkaiah Naidu did state that this is the price a man has to pay for promoting Swachh Bharat. All he was doing was asking them not to urinate publicly, because it's not just unhealthy, but it also causes a lot of inconvenience to everyone around, and that's all he had asked them to do. He was spreading a good public message, and for that, this is the price he had to pay.
All right, appreciate you joining us. We'll come back to you for more updates, Ilma.